This is my Uncle Jerry. We at the beach, and we supposed to enjoying ourselves, and he's enjoying himself. He's getting it in right now. Yo, I had to record this shit. Listen at him. Do y'all hear that, people? Damn. He ain't did shit all day. But he sound like that. So imagine if he work a full-time job. Shit, take this bitch down. Damn. He's getting it in, ladies and gentlemen. Calling them dogs. Sound like a tractor trailer going down the truck. Going down here. I gotta get a full minute of this shit. Oh Lord. I'm coming, man. My minute almost up. Damn. Oh, he took a break. Shit, he ain't taking no break. Damn, he sound like about. You need a gas mask? You need some air? Oh no, he just letting some air out.